Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello, this is trial number 1.1. I am repeating the same experiment I have carried out just few minutes before. That is heating a 1 liter milk in the same pot on induction. All other conditions remaining same. This is a repeat experiment. Let us see what we find out. Paused. But now I will be conducting this experiment without any pausing, and there is a small correction. In the last experiment or last set of videos, somewhere I have said that the minutes are 13. It is not like that. It was a slip of tongue. When I tried to measure the wattage power consumption, at that time I have said that it was 0.13 kilowatt units. It was power consumption and not minutes lapses. Minutes lapsed were 20 as was seen on the digital display. That means 30 minus 20, 10 minutes have been lapsed. It is a countdown method. So these corrections may please be noted.